Good morning everyone. It is our final day here in Siquijor. We just woke up now, it's still pretty early, it's around 8 AM I think. And today we're going to be doing the main tourist attractions here, some beautiful waterfalls and one of the main beaches. So right now we're just going to get on our bike. We got a new bike because if you watched yesterday's video you know the tire blew out on that bike. So yeah, we got a new one and now we're going to head to the falls. So we've arrived at the falls. It's called Cambugahay Falls. There's no entrance fee, you just got to pay 12 pesos to park the motorbike. Really cheap though. So yeah, these falls are supposed to be pretty spectacular, so let's see. So we're in the falls now. Really nice cool pool. You can see it's like a beautiful aqua blue color. So there's actually these rope swings all the way around. There's one there, and the last one is there. You got to pay $1 though to do each one. So we're just going to do one and pay $1. We're going to be doing this one here.
Baru sample.
Okay.
Oo naman kayaknya like this. Nahulog! Okay, yo. Slowly, up your feet.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go. Good.
So here is definitely a place you got to come to if you're here in Siquijor. It's actually really relaxed as well. So just a few tourists come to do the swing, but in general pretty much nobody here. You also got these cool rafts that you can chill on. So yeah, just a really nice place. I can see why it's one of the main attractions here. We're now walking to the other pools. There's not only that pool with the swing, there's other pools where yeah, you can just chill out. So you got one here. And I think the last one is down here. Got ourselves a little cave. So we are heading out now. We got here at 8:30 and it's like 10 now and all the tours have arrived. So if you want to get here when it's not busy, just come here early. You can see all these people here now. Down there it's pretty busy as well. Scooter is definitely the way to get around here. So we've now arrived at Salagdoong Beach Resort. It's about 30 minutes from the waterfalls over there, and it was 80 pesos overall, 30 per person and 20 for the parking for the bike. Yeah, and this is supposed to be a really nice beach, and I've heard it has some insane cliff diving that I'm probably going to be too scared to do, but we'll see. I just saw it, it's insanely high. Check it out over there. Look over the edge. No chance. You gonna jump?
I don't know.
You don't know? I'm just trying to get the courage for the smaller one.
Vai? Eu tô filmando já. Yay! Woo! How are you?
Good. I think I've got enough courage for the top one.
Yeah.
Let's do the top one.
Yeah.
Just go. Don't think. Yeah, so we stopped jumping now. I think I jumped like 5 or 6 times. Carol, you jumped like twice. I was surprised she jumped. She doesn't usually do that kind of stuff, and that was so high as well. I think I think the top one was 10 meters or something, the guy said, so pretty crazy. It kind of hurt a bit, right?
Yeah.
Like you'd slap against the water, so yeah, I was a bit red, but a lot of fun. These 2 places have been pretty amazing, right? And right now we're on like the main beach here. I'll show you. So you can see it's just this little bay here. Pretty beautiful as well. And there's a restaurant here as well. It's probably expensive since it's a resort, but we're just gonna eat there since it's convenient. Carol, time to actually relax now.
Yeah, finally.
No more.
So many times.
Yeah, no more extreme activities for today. Now we're going to be heading out of here. We're going to be going to some other waterfalls we weren't planning on doing, but since we have so much time left, because it's still quite early, we're going to head there. So the falls that we've come to is called Lugnason Falls, and like I said before, we just found it on Google Maps, so we really don't know what this place looks like. And yeah, it was a pretty interesting drive to get here. Went through some pretty remote villages. Wasn't really far from where we're staying though, but yeah, let's see how this place is. Whoa, that's high. Yeah, the waterfall is pretty cool, and once again it's more like jump spots here. I think I'm gonna have to do some more jumping. You can see people jumping from the top. It's really deep, right, Carol?
Yeah, it is.
Cold as well.
Yeah, I can touch
You can't touch the ground. Here we go.
Woo! Chris is over there. He's gonna jump.
Everybody count together.
Woo!
So we left that waterfall there. Even though it was fun, we wanted one where you can just like relax in the water, but that one actually had a load of fish that would bite you. It kept biting you, so that's why nobody was just like bathing in the water. But apparently there's other waterfalls around here where we can just like chill out. Adventure trail. Jungle here looks awesome though. Check that out. Got the river here. Sagittarius Falls. That's my zodiac sign.
Yeah.
My fall. And nobody here.
One of the best waterfalls to swim and play in.
Really? Looks tiny.
Shallow pool.
So that waterfall was spider infested, literally like spiders walking on me, so we definitely didn't stay there. And I think we're just gonna head out now. I mean, we're just kind of tired anyway. And I think the other waterfalls are all pretty far. So it's the day after those scenes that you just saw. Basically yesterday, after the waterfall, I went to get a haircut, as you can see. Got a beard cut as well, so look like a baby. And then yeah, after that we just ate and passed out. I was super tired, so yeah, I even forgot to close the vlog out. And right now we're just about to leave Siquijor. Gonna head to Cebu, because from Cebu we're gonna be getting a flight to Siargao. So all our next videos are gonna be in Siargao. That's what's coming up. But Siquijor, yeah, it's been pretty amazing 3 days here. But what did you think, Carol?
I loved it. I think it's very quiet, and there are a lot of things to do, and you could stay here for a week, I think, and we'll be like doing a lot of things. Yeah,
you can stay here a lot longer, and there's a lot of people I think that just come just for a day tour, right? Yeah, I think they do like Cambugahay, Salagdoong, normally the church, well that's closed, but what was the other thing that we did? Oh, the fish spa.
The tree.
The tree, yeah. Yeah, so you can do that in a day. If you really wanted to do something quick, you could come here for a day. And also to drive the scooter, it's a good place to learn, right?
Yeah, the roads are empty.
Yeah, empty, and the main highway here, which goes pretty much everywhere, is like pretty good roads, so yeah. So yeah, like I said, I think it's definitely worth coming to Siquijor if you're in Bohol or in Dumaguete, right?
Dumaguete, yeah.
You can get here from Dumaguete in Negros. So as always, just drop a like on this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.